This is Algebra 2 Honors, Unit 7 Review, and we're going to solve the equations on numbers 5 and 6. On number 5, we have multiple logs on one side of the equation. So we need to use our log properties to condense this. These logs are being subtracted. That means we need to use the quotient property to condense this into one log. 20x cubed needs to be divided by 5x. Notice here the base is not written, so we know that when the base isn't written, it's a base of 10. So if it helps, you can just write that in there. And then we need to change this to exponential form since there's only a log on one side of the equation. So I'm going to rewrite this as 10 squared equals this expression here. 20x cubed over 5x, we can simplify that. 100 equals 4x squared, which gives us x squared equals 25. X squared equals 25 gives us solutions of 5 and negative 5. But looking back at the original problem, if we plug in a negative 5, this becomes a negative argument, which isn't allowed. So this x equals 5 would be the only solution there. Alright, looking at number 6, we have multiple logs on the same side of the equation, so we know that we need to condense those. This is two logs being added, so we're going to use the product property, multiply x and x plus 1 together. So x squared plus x, and then over here we have log base 5 of 6. So here we have a log base 5 on the left and right side of the equation. So we know that because both of these are log base 5, we can set these arguments equal. X squared plus x equals 6. So solving this quadratic, I'm going to set it equal to 0 and factor. So here we get x equals negative 3 or positive 2. Looking back at the original equation, negative 3 creates an extraneous solution because you can't have a negative argument. So x equals 2 is the only valid solution.